Hello Zero Wasters, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making a deeply nourishing hemp body butter. This recipe contains just 4 simple ingredients: hemp butter, coconut oil, cocoa butter, vitamin E. I highly recommend to use the unrefined versions of each ingredient because they truly leave a delicious chocolate, coconut and green tea-like scent. You won't really need any essential oils, but you're welcome to add them. The star ingredient is hemp butter, which is great for sensitive skin thanks to its high content of linoleic acid. It's quite dry and therefore also super fast to absorb. This is why it works perfectly well in a body butter recipe alongside the greasier texture of coconut oil and the richness of cocoa butter. Hemp butter makes this recipe great for sensitive skin and really multi-purpose. It can be used as a body butter after a shower, after shaving, or even as a gentle nappy balm for your baby. We will start by weighting our butters and oils, apart from the vitamin E, in a heat-safe beaker, in no particular order. Well, I like to add the cocoa butter first because it's harder, and then the hemp butter and the coconut oil. Melt these at bain-marie on a low heat. Once fully melted, wait for the beaker to cool down for a few minutes and then place it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is the consistency you want to achieve. It looks solid at first, but if you touch it with a spoon, it should break and melt pretty easily. This semi-solid state is able to incorporate lots of air, so it's the perfect consistency to whip the product into a fluffy cream. This is exactly our next step. Whip the butters using a whisk until you see that the butters have taken almost a whipped cream consistency. I whipped for about 5 minutes, but you can whip for longer, like 10 minutes, even better. Midway through the whipping, I've also incorporated vitamin E, which not only will prevent the oils from going rancid, but will also add some extra viscosity and moisture to the cream. At this stage, you're free to incorporate any essential oils at up to 1% of your recipe, but I have decided not to because the cream smelled just too good on its own. This body butter sinks right into the skin, leaving it hydrated but not oily at all. You really have to try this recipe, and if you do, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. Add the whipped body butter into your chosen container. I have divided mine into 2 tins of 30 grams each, so I can keep one butter on my bedside table to apply it before going to bed, and another one in my bathroom to apply it after a warm shower or a shave.